A recent approach on process optimization and characterization of gamma irradiation-induced variations in functional properties of MAGE, see Maize L. flour. This study explored how grinding MAGE flour into different particle sizes and exposing it to high levels of gamma radiation affected its behavior in food preparation. Scientists tested 3 levels of flour fineness and treated them with various doses of gamma rays using a cobalt-60 source. The goal was to see how these factors changed the flour's ability to hold water and oil, swell when mixed with liquid, mix with other ingredients, and how dense or heavy it became. The results showed that finer flour particles absorbed less water and swelled less than coarser ones. As the flour got coarser, it held more water, became bulkier, and swelled more. However, its ability to remain stable in mixtures like emulsions, for example, sauces or creams, decreased. Radiation also played a key role. Higher doses of gamma rays made the flour better at holding water and dissolving in it, but worse at holding oil and keeping its protein content soluble. Overall, the study suggests that gamma radiation could be a useful tool to improve certain qualities of MAGE flour for food processing, packaging, and storage. It could help make flour that works better in cooking, absorbs liquids efficiently, and has longer shelf life. Introduction. This study explores how gamma radiation, commonly used to sterilize food and pharmaceutical products, affects the quality of MAGE flour. Gamma radiation can kill harmful microbes and improve food safety without damaging nutrients, especially at low doses. However, high doses may change the structure of proteins and starch, which can affect how the flour behaves in cooking and food production. The study focuses on how different levels of radiation and flour particle sizes influence important properties like how well the flour absorbs water or oil, forms gels, foams, or emulsifies with other ingredients. Since MAGE flour is widely used in many food products, finding the right balance of radiation dose and flour texture is important for maintaining both nutrition and food quality. This research aims to help food manufacturers choose the best processing methods to improve the safety and functionality of MAGE flour products. Conclusions. In conclusion, the functional properties of MAGE flour have been found to be significantly affected by gamma irradiation along with a successive increase or decrease in the particle size of the flour. The particle size of the flour was found to be directly associated with the water-holding capacity, swelling capacity, and bulk density of flour. Moreover, gamma radiation influenced favorably in improving the water and oil absorption, swelling, and emulsifying capacities of MAGE flour. This important article is authored by the following scientists: Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology, and medicine.